love your transparency, you tell it like it is. What the fuck are we here for then to be transparent? Like, what is the point of anything else but telling it like it is? But let me tell you, maybe you guys on this live love my transparency and telling it like it is. I have lost so many friends. I have lost so many people that haven't been able to take it when you tell it like it is. Because people, no, you... Don't say that. I don't want to talk about that. No, no, those are my triggers. No, no, that's under the carpet. Don't go there. Thank you for the love, for the transparency. That is something that I try to do. Like, what are we here to do than to be ourselves? Especially in this day and age of masks and what's the word? Censorship. Oh, you can't say that. That's offensive. That's not politically correct. That goes against the narrative. That your very existence goes against our community guidelines. You can't share such things because our science is different than what your science is, and if you post that, you can't do that. You will be banned. And in this day and age of so much censorship and what you can say and you can't say and fact checking and bullshit, if now is not the time to tell it like it is, it never was.